How to make a WhatsApp account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a WhatsApp account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making a WhatsApp account is fairly simple, but there are some things that you need. One is a phone number, the other is that you need the WhatsApp app. So you can use WhatsApp account if you're trying to use the personal account, or you can use WhatsApp business if you're trying to set up a professional account for your business. So both of the process are pretty much the same. You just open the respective app. It will ask you to enter the phone number, where of course you just have to go ahead and then enter your phone number. Then you tap the next option that you would be able to find here, and once you tap on the next option, you'll be able to verify the phone number and select your name and your profile picture, and your WhatsApp account will get successfully set up. This way you can make a WhatsApp account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.